3D printing has come such a long way over the years that it is now one of the main technologies that we use here as an institution, and externally it's used massively as well. So it's sort of bridging the gap between university education and going out into the outside world. We already knew that Stratasys were one of the largest companies in additive manufacturing. We now know firsthand how good those capabilities are. We've got 2 of their machines ourselves, and we are still amazed when the components come off the bed and the quality of the components. Our students are amazed, our colleagues are amazed, and it just lives up to the name. Here at the University of Surrey, we've got a wide range of technologies. We've got additive manufacturing, we have laser cutting, CNC machining, wire cutting, we have water jet cutting. We cover most bases. One of our core values is innovation. So in the spirit of innovation, we try and keep up to date with the most modern technology to be able to provide our students with the best possible education. We've got a wide range of additive manufacturing. We've got everything from FDM machines through to resin printers, all the way up to the high range of polyjet printing with our Stratasys J55 machine that gives the students an industry standard print technology. When I started here at the University of Surrey, we had a printer here already that was a multi-jet system. Over the years, that became a legacy print technology, so we knew that we needed to up our game to stay ahead of other technologies that are out in industry. So we then approached SYS as a partner of Stratasys to be able to then trade that machine in and purchase a polyjet machine. So we've actually got 2 printers from SYS. We've got the Objet that we purchased originally, and then as part of the trade-in deal, we now have the J55. We've had a wide range of FDM technologies for a long period of time. Polyjet printing just took us to that next level and gave us the tolerances that the students were after, gave them full color capabilities, and just the appearance in general was much, much better.
So I'm one of the main users of the Stratasys J55. So one of the main things I love about the J55 is that it's very precise. It can do really small parts that a normal 3D printer can't do. I like how it can replicate textures of different materials, so like carbon fibre, wood. It can also look like carbon fibre and wood, which is really cool. The differences in between the machines that we've got. So the J55 is like precision, everything is right. It's not too small or too big. But obviously with the other machines, precision isn't really there. Like when students use them, they have to do a few prints to kind of realise where the tolerances are on like the holes or like the lengths and the widths. On the J55, it's all pretty standard. So I can't imagine not having the J55 at the university, because it's such a utilised piece of equipment that we use and all the students use and love. If it went, I'm not sure what we'd do without it, basically.
With the J55, we have a lot of students that want to be able to drill, say for instance, drilling holes. So you've got all these complex holes in different geometries which you will not be able to actually do on the CNC machines because it doesn't have that capability. You have to make it in 2 parts, put it together, but with the J55 you can actually print it all in one.
Our department here at the university is the School of Engineering, but the whole university utilises the machine. Some of the jobs that we've done are for the vet school, where they've had MRI scans done of dogs and cats' skulls, and they've wanted those parts to be printed as a representation of exactly how detailed the scans can be. We've also done moulds for other departments around the university, and the smooth surface finish that the polyjet technology gives you was perfect for that application. The additive manufacturing technology that we have and the 3D printers we have here as a department don't just serve the university. We have companies approach us to try and use the technology that we have here because it is state of the art. Our relationship with SYS is coming up to 10 years now. SYS have been with us throughout the process from start to finish. In terms of training, I can't fault them. So they come in, they set the machines up, they then provide training for my team. So my team can then understand how to put prints on, how to maintain the machine, and how to keep it running at the peak performance it should be. So I definitely recommend SYS to other universities. I know a lot of other universities use them as a partner of Stratasys, but any universities that don't currently use them, I would definitely push them in the right direction and try and encourage them to reach out and move into the latest technology out there.